everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Today I have this shirt. It's a purple shirt that I ordered on Amazon for my daughter. Her birthday's coming up, so I'm gonna add this Elsa onto this shirt. This is iron-on transfer that I ordered online on Etsy. What they have is where you can just they have the design and the t-shirt that you can buy, but I wanted to use a colored t-shirt, and many of the ones that are on Etsy are on white t-shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. I got this on Amazon. Everything's gonna be in the description and where I got this from. This is her name and age. She's gonna be 3 in like a week or so. So she's gonna use this for her birthday party. And I also got one for my son and my other daughter. He likes Mario, so I got him this one. He will be 7 also in 2 weeks. So her birthday comes up first than his. So I got this at the same place that I ordered online. I'm gonna have it in the description where I found it. And this is for my other daughter. It's just her name. So not too many. I was trying to find a place where you can just order it what you want, name and put the age on it and whatever. But like I said, I wanted to use colored shirts, not white t-shirts, and that's why I went this route. So I just want to show you guys how I'm gonna transfer this onto the shirt. This shirt also has like little pleated here, and so hopefully that doesn't like ruin the image or anything like that. So first now, and I also have a pillowcase on here. This is a pillowcase. It says to use, and then I already ironed the pillowcase. I ironed the shirt. So now I have to cut around this image to make it more rounded. They suggest to have the image rounded out, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it around and not too close to the design. I already have my iron on, getting all warmed up. That looks about good, so I'm gonna go ahead and iron it on. Okay, so now that's done. So now after a couple of days, they say to wash it in cold water, and so it says to wash it in cold water and low heat in the heat, or hang it to dry up. So I'm gonna do that in a couple days. I'm gonna put it to wash, and also not to stretch it out or anything like that. So I'm gonna leave it to the side, and so that is 1 down, 2 to go. So I really like this, how it came out. It looks amazing, and so now I'm so excited that it worked out even with this on top. I just adjusted it a little bit, and that's how it looks with the pleats on top. So that worked out not too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2 so you guys can see how I do that. And I won't be putting up pictures because when I put up this video, because I'll put this video up before they wear these shirts. So make sure you give me a follow on Instagram, and I'll post a picture of all 3 of them on the day of the birthday. But I will be putting this video will be up before their birthday. So make sure you give me a follow on Instagram. So I'm gonna go ahead onto the other shirt for my daughter. Alright, so I'm doing my other daughter's shirt. I got it along with my the first shirt that I showed you guys on Amazon. So now I'm gonna do this one. So this, I fixed it up a little bit so it's not so pleated onto there. Alright, so I already cut around this one. I cut a little bit closer to the image and left a little bit of the white margin on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. This is a light blue shirt. I also got it on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set it up onto this shirt. Definitely recommend. It's not an ad or anything. This is just me sharing with you guys what I found online. If you ever want to do it yourself, and 3 minutes and it's done. If you want to just get your own light color shirt, whatever preference you guys have, this is just an idea of what you guys can do. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Everything's it's going to be in the description. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you have not yet, and make sure you turn on those post notifications. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.